Yo YouTube. So this is a trade we took today. We took a gold trade today. I'll go through the TA for SpyX, but it wasn't really like, I don't know. It wasn't really like a valid trade, I guess you could say. So basically, overall structure was still bullish. We had this daily for value gap that we're coming into. And then 4 hour we had 4 hour for value gap. You could count this as a breaker, but it got broken. So liquidity sweep of these and this, and then expansionary move up, then downwards, and then so high, low, break of the low, and then break of the high, creating a bullish breaker. But it got disrespected. The reason I didn't even like look at SpyX was just because it was like super oh my bad. It was super overextended. So as you can see, like we just pushed up for a while without any like true confluence, I guess you could say. Wait, confluence without any true like support, I guess you could say. So we just had multiple fair value gaps. So we had 1, 2, 3 right here, and 4 with this one. So I was just like, it just wasn't worth it to trade. Just when there's a lot of fair value gaps, I just try not to trade just because it's not worth it. It really it's not, because there could be like a little 15-minute break right here. There probably was. Like I'll just show y'all real quick. Show myself as well. So what? There was like a fair value gap in here. Look, 15-minute break, and then disrespected, and then another 15 break, and they'll probably just get disrespected again. Like I just don't like trading it, just because when there's a lot of fair value gaps like this, price it just acts up a little bit. Like it doesn't really know where it's going. So that's why I didn't trade it. Anyway, I'll go through the TA for gold. So overall structure again is bullish from yesterday. Yesterday we were bearish on the day, and it would have hit my TP as well. So we entered here somewhere, and I had my stop loss up here, and it hit equilibrium. So it would have hit TP if we didn't get stopped out. But oh well. But basically, um, yeah. So overall structure was bullish. We broke past this 4 hour fair value gap, kind of this fair value gap here. So boom. And we also created an inverse fair value gap here that we were wicking out of. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks pretty much, almost 5 with this one, maybe. So that was giving me bullish confirmation as well. We also had a 1 hour, what do we have? 1 hour internal liquidity sweep. So liquidity sweep here, internal liquidity right there. We also had liquidity here that got swept. Count these as liquidity. And then expansion to move up. Of course, we had this order block right here that we were tapping into. So boom, you can just count the body. Order block tapped into the order block, and then we pushed up a little bit higher. We also had a 15-minute fair value gap that we were wicking out of. So 15-minute fair value gap here. So boom, boom. 15-minute fair value gap there. And then, of course, wicking out of there. And I basically entered off of a 1-minute break. So basically, market came into this 15-minute fair value gap before market opened. So of course, I don't trade before market open. So I waited for market to open. Here, yeah, you can see that better. Okay, so market open here, and I was basically just looking for a 1-minute break out of that. So boom, market opened, wicked out of here, and I basically entered here off of this closure. So I entered there. Oh no, I entered on the 1-minute, my bad. Yeah, so market pushed up, it broke this fair value gap, and I entered off of this fair value gap right here. At the break of this fair value gap. So I entered right there, and I have my stops just below the 15-minute fair value gap. So 15-minute fair value gap there, I have my stops right here. A little bit counting this liquidity sweep. And then my first CP was, of course, internal liquidity up here. And my second CP was external liquidity up here. And we hit both TPs. I was looking, my last TP was at equilibrium from swing high to swing low. So swing high up here to swing low. Liquidity. Also counting this 4-hour and 1-hour imbalance right here. So 4-hour imbalance and 1-hour imbalance right here. A little bit above. So that was my final TP. It didn't get hit. I only made like 0.5% because again, we lost the last 2 trades in a row. So of course we go in with half leverage, and we won this trade. So tomorrow, if we do trade, I'll go in full position size once again. And yeah, that was basically the trade. And peace.